how to see your Pinterest history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your Pinterest history. Let's get started. Open up your Pinterest app and go to your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap on the three dots in the top right and tap on settings. Now here you can see refine your recommendations and you can see the pins that you have viewed, like you can see 5 days ago, 6 weeks ago. Like you cannot view the pins of every day, but you can see the pins that you have watched in the past few weeks. Now you can see your interests, your boards and more. Now if you want to see your comment or mention history, then you can come back and go to social permissions and activity. So you can see mentions and then you can see comment history as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.